Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the general settings. Here we have horizontal level option, so by tapping on this button we can easily turn on the camera leveler, and another tap to turn it off when we don't need it. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera preview to see it, and we have this line. This is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. As you can see, this is how it works here. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily tap to the left once again and use this button. So for now, the leveler has gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.